Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the mylar that covers the wireless module connectors. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the motherboard and allow it to raise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless module.